Welcome back to another incredible tutorial about Google Gemini AI app. Recently, Google just added Google Notebook into Google Gemini AI. Let us explore and see how you use Notebook LM in Google Gemini AI. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Gemini app. After you open up your Google Gemini app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the plus sign right here. This will allow you to see Notebook LM. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on Notebook LM, and it's going to redirect you right here. Combine multiple sources like documents, websites into a single notebook to get focus help on a topic or project. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Try Notebook KLM. Just like so. So here we go. You are in your notebook environment right here. So what you need to do right here, you can explore to my books and my notebooks right here. So if you have any notebooks right here, you can use Google Gemini AI to further your research. If you do not have any notebook, go ahead and click on Create New Notebook right here. Or better still, you can click on All right here. This allows you to see everything in the notebook right here. However, you can select a particular topic right here and start asking Google Gemini some of the series questions about it. Like for instance, if I decide to use this, any report for top 50 corporations right here. So if I click on it, it has been successfully uploaded right here. So we can start chat with this particular uh, report right here. So any report for top 50 corporation, the source is 267 source and April 17, 2025. So we can go ahead and ask Gemini, click on start typing right here. Can you please list the names of those company? Just like so, then we hit send. Just like so. So we have the list of those company that have top earnings in 2025 right here. So these are the names of the company right here. You can see it right here. So the more you scroll down, the more the detail is going to load up right here. So just like so. And it's going to tell us the exact page at which the information is situated in the book. So just like so, we have everything right here. So we can go ahead and come to the top right here, click on sources. This will give us the source of everything about it. So you have them all right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the reports right here in PDF and MS Word. However, we can go ahead and open any of the reports right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open the Bank of America report in PDF. So I'm going to select on that. So we have the report right here in PDF format right here. The more you scroll down, the more you can read details about it. So we can go back to our chart right here and then proceed with different series of questions about some of these reports right here. We can say, can you please translate the report from English to Spanish and send. So here we go. You have everything right here in Spanish, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more it's going to load up right here. You can go ahead and visit our sources right here. So under the sources, we still have this. We can go back to the main sources page right here. So we have all the sources right here. So let's go back to charts. So you can go on and ask different questions right here using Google Gemini AI. Go ahead and click on studio right here. So it's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.